to be in the double degree program for marine engineering at UPC, the Polytechnic University of Catalonia. Now I work as an engineer at Ningbo Meidong Container Terminal. Today I want to share this experience. This time study abroad taught me to take charge of my own learning, opened my eyes to the world, and showed me how great it is to learn different things. The courses, they are really wide-ranging, which gave me more options for my career. The mix of different subjects helped me to pick up skill across fields, so I didn't just stick to the usual job in my major. This learning experience at UPC has helped me to clarify my future development direction. If you are into marine energy's huge potential and want to grow with a global view, UPC's double degree and program is a really smart choice. The late nights in lab solving problems, the core idea from working in international teams, all this build up the confidence to face whatever comes your way. Take that brave step. When you see the first light of day over Barcelona's post, you will get it. This journey gives me way more than 2 diplomas. I can't wait to see you make your own awesome story at UPC.